A desert surrounded by snow? That sounds like a climate glitch, or maybe Mother Nature pressed randomized terrain. But this isn't science fiction. It's real. From frozen dunes in Antarctica to a sandy desert right inside Siberia, there are places on Earth where hot and cold collide in the strangest ways. Welcome to Impossible Geography.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Let's start with the Arctic Polar Desert, a place so cold and dry, it's technically a desert. Wait, how can a land full of snow be a desert? Simple, deserts aren't defined by heat, they're defined by lack of precipitation. In some parts of the Arctic, less than 25 centimeters of rain or snow fall each year. That's drier than the Sahara. So Antarctica and the Arctic? Both are actually the largest deserts on Earth. Surprise! Now, for a plot twist, deep inside Siberia, one of the coldest regions on Earth, there's a real desert made of sand dunes. It's called the Chara Sands. Imagine golden dunes surrounded by snow-capped mountains and frozen rivers. In winter, temperatures can drop below minus 40 degrees Celsius, yet there's a genuine desert in the middle. How did it form? Thousands of years ago, glaciers trapped a lake here. When they melted, wind sculpted the leftover sediments into dunes. So yes, Siberia has its own mini-Sahara. Someone tell the camels to pack a coat. Now let's go to the McMurdo Dry Valleys of Antarctica, a place so alien, NASA studies it to simulate Mars missions. Here, fierce katabatic winds, cold air rushing down from glaciers, evaporate all moisture. There's no snow, no ice, just bare rock and dust. Temperatures plunge to minus 30 degrees Celsius, but humidity is near zero. It's the only place in Antarctica where your spit freezes before it hits the ground and evaporates a moment later. Try that at home. Actually, don't. So why do deserts form in the middle of snow and ice? It all comes down to air circulation and topography. In polar regions, cold air holds almost no moisture, so even though it's freezing, it rarely snows. Meanwhile, in places like Siberia, wind trapped between mountain ranges can dry out valleys completely. Basically, geography and physics teamed up to say, who needs logic? Deserts in the middle of snow remind us that Earth doesn't play by simple rules. It's a planet of contradictions, where ice can be drier than fire, and sand can sparkle beneath a frozen sky. So next time you hear the word desert, don't just picture the Sahara. Because somewhere out there, the world's coldest sands are whispering under the snow.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.